Alright everybody, this is my 1982 Casablanca Victorian Ceiling Fan with a different light kit. So as you see, there is a Casablanca fitter on it finally. This is a 90s fitter with the rare crystal globes that no one's ever seen outside of a catalog. I've seen them before at a fan store, only one though, and here I have a set of 4 of them that I found today at Habitat. Well, I mean, I found them last week, but I picked them up today. I already bought them. So, the light kit came off of my 1984 Panama 5 from Casablanca in IntelliTouch. So, it's antique brass. And then I put it on here because I wanted a Casablanca fitter, and this looks a lot better. However, I missed the ornate switch cap, but I don't really care that much. This is pretty nice. Anyway, enough of that. Now we're going to give it a demo, starting with the light. So it still uses the same slumber quiet function. This time I don't have a pull chain from the light kit. However, I could put one in the middle, but I don't want to. I have a polished brass version of this light kit right here. So the old kit and switch cap is right here. So yeah, these globes are gorgeous when they're lit, and I use clear bulbs, of course. Yeah, you may notice that those Christmas lights in the background are new. I just got those today for free from Habitat since they were Christmas stuff. They're really cool swirled globe bulbs, so I got them. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start with the fan again. So yeah, these globes are super nice and they're crystal. I'm pretty cool. Ouch. The fan looks a little better, honestly, with this light kit. And they did offer the Victorian with this light kit as well, so it's no surprise to see this, but this, of course, wasn't the way it would have looked in 1982, because they didn't have this kind of light kit until 1991 or something like that. Turn it again. Did end up with a antique brass hang true as well from the Panama. This is a not original hang true for that fan. The fan was manufactured in '84. The light kit was added on in the '90s, of course, and so was, I don't know why they changed the hang true, but they did to this. I need to find the hatch on Monday, which is my volunteer day. Since I'm not at school. I have to wake up early though, kinda. And then, it also has newer blades, but older blade arms, and a mid-80s, early 90s downrod. It's quite strange. You know what, since the light kit is beautiful, I'm gonna have the light kit for a little bit. It's just an absolutely gorgeous light kit. Anyway. There we go. So yeah, I've always wanted to have one of these kind of light kits, and here I am. Oh, my hair's getting in the way. It's usually not this mangled, but you know. Right. Oh, sorry for that. Almost high speed. How's our video looking? Okay, my battery may die mid-video. I have no idea how long it will last, but I'm gonna go ahead and do full speed. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just say thanks for watching, just in case it dies. So yeah. Sorry I didn't do high enough, but you know, I'm wanting to conserve battery here. So anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, so goodbye.